Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be filming a video for you guys, and it is going to be just a little bit of an update on where I've been and what you can expect now that I'm back. Alright, so I just want to jump right into where I went and why I disappeared off the face of the planet for a long time. And the main reason is that at the time I was still in high school, and while I was in high school I was taking college classes, which take up a lot more time and it's a lot more material in a shorter period of time. So it's a lot. If you've done college, you know that like college classes are way different than high school classes, and I was doing them as a high school student in a program through my school. I was doing, on top of school, I was working part-time, and then part of the time I was also on my school's dance team when it was dance season. So between those three things, I just had a lot going on. And when it wasn't any of those things, it was also partially because I wasn't happy with my quality and the types of videos that I was putting out on the internet. I just wasn't happy because the audio quality wasn't that great. The camera quality wasn't the greatest. I didn't have lighting, so if I didn't have good natural daylight, my lighting was terrible. I mean, just tons of things that I just wasn't really happy with, and it just made filming a chore, and for me that just made YouTube not fun. So I ended up just deciding I needed to take a break until I was able to get some better equipment, which I do have now, which is super exciting. I invested in some equipment, and I'm also going to be making a video about how you can create videos on a budget, because I think that is super important and something that a lot of people would benefit from. So now I have some actual camera equipment, and I'm just super pumped to be back because I missed it so much. And yeah, I also wanted to touch on kind of what you guys can expect now that I am back. So first things first is that I will still be doing mainly beauty videos for the most part, with some different content added in, because I do want to mix in some of my other interests as well, because I mean, I like makeup and stuff, but I'm not the greatest at coming up with new looks and whatnot, so I just don't want to run out of like content ideas, I guess. So some ideas I had were doing like meal preps, grocery hauls. I do have an Erin Condren planner that I use like all the stickers in, so if you guys wanted to see like plan with me's once a month or something like that. Also I have some other things in mind that I'm kind of keeping a secret until I do them. So anyways, I hope you guys, if you're one of my original subbies and you're still here, still subscribed, I thank you for sticking around. And if you're watching this video, I'm amazed because I haven't uploaded anything in forever. But yeah, I'm kind of rambling at this point. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel because I have tons of new and improved content coming, and I also, please give this video a thumbs up if you are excited to be seeing some new content. And yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys all later. Bye.